Hello, my name is Steve Olson. I'm the Manager of Training Services for MESA. MESA's AutoCAD Civil 3D Essentials course covers a good workflow beginning with trying to generate the existing ground conditions to adding some additional elements all the way through analysis of the project and determining volume calculations, etc. Over the course of the class. To begin with the existing conditions, those can be generated any number of ways. One of the key workflows shown in the class is being able to connect to a survey database and basically import or insert those points directly into the drawing. Once they're in the drawing, we can then begin generating a surface in any number of ways, but what we could do is we could even generate a surface based off of a point group. So in this case here, just to try to illustrate this, I'll create an existing ground tin surface, and then inside of that, inside its definition, I'll tell it to include the all points point group, which was generated or added to by the fact that we had all those survey points in there. Once I had my surface, I could start defining some different elements. For example, maybe I have an alignment for a road that's going to run through here, so I could use some alignment tools to begin to generate an alignment for this project. Quickly just draw a little alignment through here. So I have an alignment there. I could then begin generating a profile from that surface and that alignment. I'll draw that in a profile view. Once I had the existing ground profile, I could then begin generating a finished ground profile for my road. Once I had that, I could then design an assembly that would have different elements for different lanes, etc. So I could build an assembly, and then once I had the assembly, I could then begin defining a corridor that would take my alignment, my profile, my assembly here, combine those all into one entity, and I'd have that. So then I could start using all this information to define a finished ground. And just to kind of speed things along, I have a similar model, not the exact same, kind of illustrating this. Then I have a kind of a finished project here that I could then create a volume surface that would help me understand how much dirt would have to be moved to generate the finished ground, starting from the existing ground. I can get a nice little volume toolbar here to show me exactly how much cut and fill I would need. So again, MESA's AutoCAD Civil 3D class covers a good workflow from starting with pretty much nothing, defining the existing ground, adding your model elements, defining your finished ground, and then using some analysis and then generating some 2D drawings off of that. So it is a decent overall arching workflow. Just a quick little sample there of what that would look like. If you're interested in this class or if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to MESA at the toll-free number on the screen here, or feel free to reach out to me directly at my email address on the screen. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in class soon.